pulled the cover off the other 330 that I've got. This is going to be the main one that I've got, the 413 wedge big block that I'm going to do a cross ram on. And unfortunately this girl here has to give up a lot of her bright work. This here car, pretty good condition all things considered. Looks pretty rough right now as it is, but there's actually quite a lot of good things about it. Not a whole lot of rust and rot along the bottom. Some typical holes right here. If you look here on the bottom of this quarter panel, pretty solid. Inside the trunk right now, we've actually got the big block. Springs aren't set up here on the trunk, so it's hard to open. Motor is sitting right here and waiting to be rebuilt. Something I gotta get to. Again, this side here, bottom of this quarter, pretty good. Have to fix this spot there. Rear window corners not in terrible shape on both sides. Pretty straight old car. Interior, pretty sure it's the original seat. This is not an original seat for this car. All the wiring is kind of messed up and missing or out, so it's going to be a complete gut job. The floor is kind of cut up, and it will be a 4-speed car. It's going to need a bit of floor work there. This front window channel, a little bit rough. Hood is in great shape. Hood latch actually works. Ta-da! Whole lot of nothing in there right now, but there'll be something awesome there too. You can see the original paint color here hidden on the firewall. This, I don't know what the color code would be, but some sort of teal, kind of greenish blue. And somebody obviously painted it this like B5 looking blue Mopar color. Someone stole the VIN tag off the inside of the door. Got a fender tag here, and then on the radiator support, got the VIN right there. So I will be able to get it re-VINed and register it if I so choose. But yeah, this is the 2-door 330. This is what will become pretty badass max wedge recreation, and hopefully the way it's sitting right now with those tires up is the way it is actually going to be looking a couple years down the road. We shall see.